Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking right here in this Excel sheet, where we can actually have all of these words to capital letter and lower case, right? So we're going to be looking at how we can put this word here in uppercase and lowercase, right here. Very important, right here in Excel. So we want to click in the box here, and then when you click in the box, you're going to put in equal, right? And we're going to put upper. All right, let me correct that. Now, when you put upper, what you wanted to do definitely, you want to put the bracket. Now, when you put the bracket, you notice, you see the word you're focusing on, so you're going to say A2, A2, and then you're going to put the bracket again. Then you're going to press enter. Notice when you press enter right here, you notice, it become uppercase. But if you want all of these to become uppercase, you just can simply put the cursor right here and drag it down like that. You notice everything will come uppercase. Right, very important. Definitely. So if you come right here now, and there you come like this, you say equal, you say lower. Here, you're going to put the bracket, right? So this, you want to put in lowercase. So you want to say B2. So now B2, then you're going to put the bracket, so you're going to press, right? And there you go. So if you want the rest of them in lowercase, so you put the cursor right here and drag it up like that. So this is the way you can actually use uppercase and lowercase right here in Microsoft Excel. So hope you have learned something from this video here. So remember, share, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.